in 2022, I will turn over to my successor a nation that is more prosperous, a people more united and prouder of their leaders.
People want a sustainable livelihood. People want jobs. People want incomes. People want food. People want that they don't go to sleep hungry at night. People want to have potable water when they turn on the spigot. People want to have electricity, affordable electricity when they turn on the switch. None of these are automatically provided simply by changing the words in the Constitution.
It has to stop. Criminality has to stop. Drugs must stop. And yung kasali na yung I'll fix government along the way, yung mga mayors na nandyan, yung mga barangay captain, and others. And I will deal with you.
Tutuloy ko yun. In fact, iwa-widen ko pa nga para maisama yung yung healthcare para maraming panggastos, pambili ng gamot at pagbayad sa mga klinika.
Mga priority bills natin. Number 1, freedom of information para mabantayan ng gobyerno. Pangalawa, modernization ng Customs and Tarifications Act. Ito, build, operate, transfer. Amendment ng anti-red tape. At syempre, yung malapit sa puso ko, libreng pananghalian para sa mga bata.